In this video, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Excel. So if you're a beginner and you have no idea about conditional formatting, then this video is for you. So in simple terms, conditional formatting is a feature in Excel which allows you to format cells based on the content of the cell. And this makes it easier to quickly identify information in your spreadsheet. So let's get started. So currently, as you can see, I have some data over here, and using this, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting. So first, what I'm going to do is format the scores column that's over here. So to do this, you first have to select the data, and once this is done, you'll find an option called conditional formatting on top over here. So now click on this, and here there are different ways to format the data. So I'll show you the first option, which is highlighting cells. And as you can see, they have some options over here. So basically, you can highlight cells if they are greater than, less than, between, equal to certain numbers. And you can enter the condition yourself. So first, I'll select greater than, so just click on it. And now they've said they'll format cells which are greater than, so enter the number over here. So if I want to know everyone who scored more than 80, then I can change this number to 80. And then I can fill this with a certain color. So currently it's a light red fill, but if I want to change this, just click on this. And now you have other options. So if I want to fill it with green, since it's everyone who scored more than 80, then I can select this option over here. And as you can see, it's changed to green. And if you want some more color combinations, again click on this box. Then go to custom format, and from here you can change the font, border, fill, all of that. You have control over all of this, and just click on OK. And now as you can see, all the cells which have a number more than 80 have been highlighted in green. So now if you want to clear these rules, then again just select the data, again go to conditional formatting over here, and then just click on clear rules. So it's this option over here, and then select clear rules from selected cells. And now the rules are gone. So the same way, I'll quickly show you some more things that you can do. So now again, I'll select this data. After that, I'll go to conditional formatting, then highlight cell rules. And let's say I want to know everyone who got between 65 and 75. Then I can select between, which is over here. Then here I'll enter 65 to 75. After that, I can select the color I want to fill this with. So I'll keep it yellow and click on OK. And as you can see, 65 and 75 have been highlighted. So now I'll go to another column and show you how it works for text. So let's say I want to format this paid column, which is over here. Then what I can do is select the entire column. If I just click on E, then the entire column gets selected. After that, I'll click on conditional formatting. Then click on highlight cell rules. And over here, you'll have to select text that contains, since now we're formatting text. Now let's say I want to highlight every cell which says yes in green and no in red. Then what I can do is just type in yes over here and change the color to green fill and click on OK. Then to make all the no's red, I can click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, then text that contains. Now I'll type in no and select light red fill. Now I'll click on OK. And as you can see, yes has become green and no has become red. Now I'll show you one cool thing. Since we formatted the entire E column, if I type in yes or no in this cell over here, you'll see that it automatically changes. So if I put no, as you can see, it's become red. Then if I type some random thing, it won't have any color. But if I put yes, it's become green. So the same way, you can follow this for the country column. You can set a color for each of the countries over here. Now I'll show you a couple of more things that you can do. So I'll go back to the scores column over here. Then again go to conditional formatting, and now I'll select the top bottom rule. So now I can highlight the cells which are either in the top 10%, bottom 10%, and they have some more options. So let's say I want to know who all are in the top 10%. Then I'll select this, then change the color and click on OK. And as you can see, this cell has been highlighted. So the same way, you can check out the other options. And now I'll show you the last rule, which is the color scale. So again, I've selected the scores. Then I'll go to conditional formatting and now click on color scales. After that, select any option you want. So I'll select the first. And now as you can see, they've highlighted each of the cells in a different color based on where they fall in the list. So the highest score is in dark green, while the lowest score is in dark red. So this is basically how conditional formatting works. And if you want some more tutorials on Excel, then let me know down in the comments. That's it for today. Goodbye.